Hello? Is this thing working? Hello? Is this thing working? Hello? Instant gays in the house. There's instant weenies in the house. Point them out. If there's a weenie, point them out. If there's a weenie, point them out. Good morning, boy. I tell you, the Lord has decided that today CryptoFace comes at a normal-ish time. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, boy. I tell you, we're gonna see if we can do something. Bitcoin. It's I don't even like uttering the words Bitcoin. So cringe. Just saying the word crypto, even saying trading, trader, we were watching hang on, I gotta do a sound test here. We might have a special guest today. We might have a special guest today. Make sure everything here is in order. 1 2 testing 1 2. Oh, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, I think volume's pretty good here. Oh boy, yeah, boy, I tell you, uttering the words trader, crypto, Bitcoin, it is a mega turnoff. Mega turnoff. If I meet somebody and they talk about Bitcoin or trading, I immediately don't want to talk to that person. I want to run away. Well, I tell you, you have that family member or friend who's always like, oh, I know someone else who does, but my ex-boyfriend does trading and you guys should connect, you guys should connect. And do what? Do what? What do you mean connect? My cousin always says that. She goes, oh, you guys should totally connect. And I'll give him your number and so he can call you and you guys can, I met some guy on the street. He said he day trades, and I told him everything about you, where you live, and what you have, and who you are, and you guys should connect. Yeah, let's get around, stare at the wall. Let's sit there and stare at the wall. Oh, you trade? Oh, yeah, I'm a day trader. Oh. Last night we were watching Love is Blind, and one of the guys, he's like a broke soccer coach, and he's like, oh, I day trade. Yeah, we have a special guest today. Crypto Crank. Is Crank here? Oh, that's too bad. I was going to bring him on today. That's too bad. Crank, we were going to bring him on today. Sucks to be him. Boy, is he going to be upset that he missed out. You know, I actually thought he was somebody else. I thought he was some old guy, but I went and saw him, and he ain't that. He's actually all right. Maybe I will have him on sometime soon. This, boy, I tell you, these, geez, you know, I would like, we got a fresh 100K eval ready to be passed. We're either gonna, you know, do we want to do it smart or do we want to go ham? Really, we should have two accounts. Go big in one direction on one account and another on the other. But even with this volatility, that might not even work. It would be nice to pass one of these damn tests. I haven't passed a fucking test since I started, since my first two. Yeah, boy, this is ugly. It's been an ugly. It's been. You know, I'm telling them to change this word demo. I'm telling them to take that fucking word out because these fucking people. I told them, I said, can we change it to like trial or something, because this demo word is like the devil. You might as well change it to devil. I said, you know, change it to maybe like trial. Put it to trial. Nice. You bought your 2-for-1 deal, at least passed one, got a nice payout. Yo, dang it. Oh, damn, attaboy. What did you do? What did you get? What'd you do? Willie? Good job, man. I too got a payout in the beginning when I first started, but it's you know, I've also been taking it easy this month. You know, I haven't really been streaming, haven't really been doing shit. I haven't been well, not doing shit with trading and streaming and shit, but I've been doing other shit. Yes, welcome everybody. Welcome. What's going on here? What's hold on here. Hang on a second here. I need to something wrong here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we're gonna see if what's going on here today here. Let's see here. Gold, let's see here. Let's oh my god, okay, let me blind everyone. Oh, oil. Okay, let's take a look at energy. Boy, I tell you what. My E-Trade's up $250,000 today, so let's see what it's at. Well, I tell you, I can't not. I've had what, maybe $245,000, $497.33, not without even trying. I could do this shit in my sleep. But boy, when it comes to this crypto shit lately, hang on. Okay, I just copy and pasted. $250,000 in the standard market because it's fucking easy. Compared to this garbage. These Chinese, this ain't gonna work. These Chinese, with the bear market ensuing and the bloodbath that is crypto, number one, maybe, I tell you what, you know what? I might just open up a shit ton of small shorts on every altcoin. Just short everything. Have like 100 trades, just dot. That ain't going nowhere. Let's look at this. Let's look at this garbage. Wow. Look at it. What percent? This is damn. Oh, jeez. Boy, I tell you. Boy, this This is John, look at this range. Just playing this range. Oh my god, just short these tops. Jeez. What about chain link? What about chain link? Boy, this looks like it's gonna give way, man. This looks like it's gonna give way. I believe it's still buy one, get one with my Bitfunded link in the description. I do believe it is still buy one, get one. My immediate thoughts, I know it's at quote unquote support, but I'm thinking short, man. I'm thinking short. I was in shorts since yesterday, the day before I closed them. But this is ugliness. It's ugliness. It's ugly. It is ugly. These Chinese, what I was saying was these Chinese, and they already are, they need to start adding more stocks and stuff to these Chinese exchanges. And really just tokenized. We need to pivot to tokenized trading stocks. Tokenized stocks. And they are starting to add them here. Okay, let's see. This ain't gonna work either. This ain't gonna work either. Nice little trigger wave on oil here. Oh my gosh, this almost looks like an en garde rapier pattern, but this looks more like a broadsword than a rapier. But this kind of looks like the pattern we just talked about, kind of. Yeah. I think everybody's scared. Google, I hate to say it. I don't like this on this 6 hour on Google. I don't like when the RSIs look like this when they come to the bottom. When it's a gapped, if these were gapped, if the red part and the stochastic RSI were super separated, then it would, and I would believe a strong upward move. But when they're both conjoined, like this, I don't like it. This one, non-conjoined, came up. You know what I'm saying? This one, semiconductor, non-conjoined. Yeah, this. Two months. Oh man. Now Google's at a quote unquote support here, but boy, I tell you, I don't want to hear. I don't even want to. I wish I don't want it to be this way. 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 But I don't like it. This is a thick momentum wave. This is a very, very thick momentum wave. Doesn't look as bad as it doesn't look as bad as previously. Maybe we go back to history. July. Now this looks a little more similar. This looks a little more similar to the current state. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. The target for potential Google calls was 290, 280, this line right here. But boy, I'll tell you, I don't know, folks. It is here. Hang on a second here, folks. the fuck? All righty. Let's see here. All right. So we may have a special guest that we're gonna bring on here. If he behaves. Hello. Yo. Well, I don't know. My shit's all fucked up, but they might be able to hear you. They might not be. I ought to turn this up and turn the music down here. Hang on here. Say something. You're in the short from the high. It should be good. It's probably going to break down. I mean, look at it looks like shit. This is definitely breaking down, in my opinion. Yeah, I would say everything looks like shit. Everything looks like shit. Yep. I believe there's some PPI or PPI results coming in today. Who the hell would short right here? The risk reward is so bad. Well, fuck your risk reward, bro. If the price is going down, it's going down. Who the hell would short right here? Said they could hear you.
Robots on asset.
Can you people hear him?
Get ready for the trap.
Well, I can't hear you now if you're not saying anything. Say something. Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff, tell us what you think today, Peter. All right, hang on here. My sound shit's all messed up, dude. I need to change this fucking shit. I can't. Because it's if your shit's too loud on my speakers, it echoes through my shit. I'm trying to like have you down, so because if you talk, it's super loud on my shit. It's super loud. I'm working on it. See, now it's like this robot voice. Like, it's been happening to me for a week, dude. It's been like this for a week. I'm working on it. try this. Now they. Okay, let me try this. Okay, now let me do that. Say something.
Yo, good morning. How's everyone doing? Oh, I heard it. I think we're good, man. You could maybe turn me up a little bit, but I think they can hear me okay. I think it's good.
All right. It's echo. This is fucking. I need. I don't know. I need to like uninstall, reinstall all my sound stuff because, like, I can't adjust my computer volume. Like, whatever your volume is, it's stuck unless like.
Yeah.
I'm working on it. Hang on.
We need to like test. How do you even test that shit out? There's like no way to even test it out.
I think I got it.
Yeah, I was just saying I'm in a short from like the local little high here. Scalp type stuff targeting the weekly lows, but what do you guys?
There we go. The volume's good. We got the volume down. We got everything.
Alrighty. Yeah, everything sucks, but I do see a rising star that no one is talking about, and that is gold. Gold, I believe, is getting ready for another piston fire. It's been a few weeks since everyone was all up on about it. I like these RSIs. I like the money flow. It's taken nice time. It's holding its support. I'm thinking gold is going to. What are you short on, Bitcoin right now or ETH, Sol?
Yeah, Bitcoin from 67.1. I got a short in like at the very top. It came all the way down. I was in good profit, and then it spiked up damn near to my entry this morning. Like there was a wick up on Bitcoin. Almost,
Yeah.
Like spooked me out, bro. But I stayed in it, and it came all the way back down. So now I'm still just chilling in it. It's just a scalp.
Yeah, I had a primo short at like 68,400 from like 2 days ago or a day ago, and but I closed it. I fucking closed it. But that's good. Good for you. Good for you.
I mean, the trading's been tough, bro. Like I got like 3 Bitfunded challenges, and I fucked them all up in the last like month. But it's also my fault. I wasn't even doing my strategy of waiting for weekly supports and resistances. Like, I wasn't even using MC basic strategy. I was just flopping and groping, trying to pass really quick, and it didn't work out. But I'm on a new challenge now. I just passed the first part of the challenge, so I'm on like stage 2. So that's what this trade is.
All right. This looks like a Siamese twin. Jesus, take the wheel. This is dumping, dude. This is dumping. This is dumping for sure. I'm opening a little shitter short on this. So help me God. I want to open a little bit funded short on this. I think this is dumping, dude.
Personally, I think it's targeting last week's low, like the
What's
low
last
at,
week's low?
65K, like the last big low on the chart, on like the 4-hour chart, like the last like
65. Yep. Okay, I see it.
Yeah. Cause Yeah, I mean, a new week started. You know, last week's levels, the last week's high-low are targets when a new week begins. So I like to either target those, or after it hits those levels, sometimes there's a reaction. So I like to trade that too. But that plus like MC basic strategy is like the only way I trade when I'm not flopping and groping and doing dumb shit. When I'm trading with actual strategy, it's like MC basic strategy and waiting for those weekly levels.
It would be nice to catch a little upward wick. Yeah, I'm gonna do. I would like to catch a little. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, but no matter what, I'm just getting targeted. Like if you're a human, you're getting targeted. I'm fucking shorting this. I don't give a fuck. See if I can get a little limit entry in here. Yeah, it would be nice to pass one of these tests and just run it up. That would be nice.
If Bitcoin keeps dumping, then there's one shit coin that I've been keeping an eye on. It's Pippin, and it's like a scam run up. I don't really know if there's anything to it other than that it got crimed up to like multiple billions of dollars. So it just swept a weekly level, and like I caught a little short on it and got out, but maybe it'll keep going down if Bitcoin dumps, because Pippin's last week's low is like at 24 cents, which is like a 50% crash from where it's at now.
Yeah, boy, these Chinese sure know when I enter a fucking trade. I'll tell you, they sure know. They sure know. I should have just marketed enter. It's already happening. I'm telling you, it's already happening.
Look at you. Look at you.
I'm canceling the stream.
I mean, it's good content. I mean, it's yeah, we're already like closer to the bottom of the range than the top, but it could keep going.
Whatever. I mean, I'll do an entry. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going all in. I'm doing an entry, and if it comes up, that's fine. You know, like, I mean, I wonder how much. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that would be a doozy. That would be a doozy. All right. Let me do a little. Let me do a little one. A littler one. Let's do that. Let's do fucking look at these Chinese. I swear to God they keep tracking me. As soon as I'm telling you, these Chinese are something else. All right, good thing. All right, I'm not in yet.
These little trades though, like, you know, that daily drawdown's tight. Like even a little trade placed at an inopportune little area can eat into you pretty bad on this Bitfunded shit. Funded trading is not for the weak, man. It takes a lot of patience to.
The trading's not for the weak. These Year of the Fortune things are just like packages where you get a discount at buying like a package of X amount of 2 steps, 1 steps. So they're packages. I mean, if you click it, it tells you. I'm a 1-step guy. You know, I'm a 1-step guy. I'm a 1-step guy. Let me see here.
Yeah, me too. I never get 2 steps usually, but this was a rare exception.
Let's see, Year of the Fortune.
The 2-step rules are quite nice. Like the first profit target was only 8%, and then the second one was only 5%. Like it's very easy to hit 2 good trades and get funded on the Bitfunded 2-step, I will say. It's easy to get funded on the 1-step too if you're not a retard, but I am a retard.
I would show the packages, but it has my personal information. There we go, baby. Dump that shit. Dump it. Get the dump it,
baby.
Dump it.
baby. Shorten the bottom.
I should have done more.
Let's-
You're short the
go.
ball.
I love that for you. I love
How
that
could
for
you? How could you? Who would do such a thing?
I hate when people say, I love that for you.
I love that for you. Who would do such a thing?
It's the bottom.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, this is a real strong bottom right now.
There ain't no bottom, bro.
Yeah, but what are you? There ain't no bottom. You're a bottom.
You bunch of. Just kidding.
Bunch of. Never
You
mind.
bunch of yellow belly.
Please keep watching.
Yellow-
We need
Yeah,
viewers.
dude.
Well, the viewers are down. We can't piss anyone off.
Ah.
I'm not saying racial slurs anymore. Yeah, I mean, just it's been repeating the same shit over and over and over. All these bottoms have given way. It's been doing the literally the Siamese twin. This is literally another Siamese twin. Jesus, take the wheel right here, and it's lopsided. How many times do we have to see this shark fin middle finger? It's dumping. It's dumping. I should go just all. I should have just went all in. I should have just went all in. Fuck it. I don't like playing it safe on these funded challenges. I like it's like that's the. I mean,
you turn them and you're trying to get rid of them, bro. It's like hose at the club. Like you gotta just get rid of them.
yeah.
I know some people are like they'll have a plaque on their wall their whole year, like I'm a funded trader. I'm so proud of what I did the one time. I spent like 25, 30 grand on funded challenges last year. That's how I made 70K. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to make the money, you gotta grind on these things and take swings. That's what these accounts are for, is so you can take a swing and it's not all your money going down the drain.
Boy, I tell you, we nailed it at the perfect time here. I tell you. That's been happening a lot lately. I mean, I've always kind of been like in with good timing. Even my little cipher's been, man, it enters. It'll catch good moves. Granted, fucking take profits a little fucking tough, but you know what I'm saying. But this thing will fucking spring right back in no time. I'm telling you, it's horrible. It's nightmare. It's nightmare shit. It's fucking horrible.
Yeah, but we're in this is late stage downtrend, late stage capitalism. You know, usually in the last 20% of a move, it's like the most volatile. So I'm hoping this thing goes down sub 65. That would be awesome.
Yeah.
But,
It's definitely going down. It's definitely going down. Horrible RSIs, beautiful money flow coming down. There's no hope. Besides scam WEEX, it's over. It's over. We should be shorting every shit coin we can get our hands on. I should just open shorts on everything. Like this pump. This ain't going nowhere but down. It's all going nowhere but down. Yeah, really, it's really should be short it and forget it. Short it, forget it.
yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's right at yesterday's low right now, so it's right at that cusp of, is this a daily move or are we in the daily range?
It's at the 2.0 at 2.0 spider line, right on it. In fact, Boy, the next one below, my lord, yeah, that's a.
We don't really know how big of a move this really is until this shit. If it goes down like one more leg, then it's cracking. Crack-a-lackin'.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna adjust this screen so this fucking demo word isn't fucking on my screen anymore. Get that shit out of here. Ah, yes. All right, we got $100,000 in cash, and we're trading it live account. Live account. FOMC in 5 minutes. Is it the real FOMC? What is that? When they decide interest rates? Is McCluskey going on stage?
Shit, man. I wish I wasn't in a trade going into this shit, but here we are.
Nah, you'll be all right. No, it's gonna dump, bro.
I'm full porting. I'm full porting news.
I believe it's still buy one, get one in the link below, and only the link below. Look how big his hands look. Fucking JD. Never mind. Jesus Christ. These fucking people. Who's this guy? He says all the tariff should be disciplined worth paying for everything. Dude, the news is horrible. Even the news is dog shit. It's the most pointless stuff. That like doesn't matter. It's been like that for a couple days. When's the new Fed guy? Isn't did the new Fed guy start? Kevin Warsh? Is Kevin Warsh? Sworn in on May? In May? Oh no, no. Kevin Warsh. I was saying, what is that? Sworn on May. Janet Trump. Okay, never mind. When does Warsh start? Start date May. Okay, he starts it. Everyone's been repeating the same Google paragraph. He's hawkish. And whatever that means. He has a scowl on every decision he makes. What's the definition of hawkish?
Hawk. That's when you hawk to a...
Hawkish. Some bullshit. Alrighty, let's see here. Yeah, you either play the 30-second time frame or you set it and forget it. This looks like, listen, this is what it looks like when it goes sideways and down. Like in 2018.
The McCluskey cluster. What's going on with that?
That's a good question. Let's take a look. Damn, we really barreled through these McCluskey clusters. There's no way we're going above this second McCluskey cluster. Man. There's one spider line at 65.4 in between the next cluster at 56,000 on these 2.0s on the non-log. On the logarithmic, we're at the bottom of the 8th gate of hell, preparing to go to the 9th. on the OG 1.0s, we're on top of the final cluster, which we've dipped our toe into already. The bottom of the cluster is 56,000.
Yeah, man, that's that 48 to 58K area. That's like ETF. We're back at the ETF being approved prices.
When was that? When was that?
It was approved. It was approved on my birthday.
Don't tell people your fucking birthday, dude. March. So your birthday's in March 27th.
Yeah. No, yeah, it was early 2024. Back when Bitcoin was at like 48.
Damn, so it's been since 2024. 705 days. It's been 2.5 years, and we're back at the prices from 2.5 years ago. Look at this huge Siamese twin head. Jesus, take the wheel. Wow, did that play out? I'm telling you.
It's good to be back. Honestly, like I'm comfy down here. I like these prices.
It's because you want to see the world burn.
No, it's because I mean I did really well last bull run with the push-up challenge and shit, but obviously I could have done a lot better. Having another chance is like really good for me.
What's the problem with the mic? There's no mic problem. Although I'm not running my like software, so it's probably all over. If I yell, it's probably really loud. Oh yeah, dump baby, dump it, dump it.
There it goes. Nice. Well, it hasn't even breached that daily level yet. I needed to. This is fun trading with you, brethren. Thanks for having me on the channel.
You're welcome. Yeah, I was gonna do Bitfunded Fridays, but I figured I'd do it today. Wanted to do it today. How did we do when we did consultations? How did we do that last time? Did I just tell people to email me and send money and shit, or did we have like a web page?
We were just winging it, and I continued doing consultations. I made like 20 Ethereum. We were helping a lot of people with those calls, man. Like we should do those again. Also, my line's open if traders want to talk. They can always schedule a consultation with me, but talking to traders is fun, bro. You learn how traders think when you talk to traders, and I don't think it's dealing with traders' problems. I'm genuinely invested in the shit you guys are talking about, the shit you guys are doing.
Yeah, it's been so long since I've done consultations. I don't even remember how I did them. I don't know. I might do like a week consult. I mean, like $5,000 for 2 hours, 2 1-hour sessions.
Man, someone with your pool, bro, you could do a premium real life Vegas trip or something. You know what I mean? Like a Steve Stevens type thing. Like you could go all out with that shit if you wanted to.
The volume is perfectly fine. anyone complaining about mics and volume, both of us are perfectly fine. So they must be listening to like an older stream.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it
can
would
hear
probably
my
help
voice,
to
but
do like
it's some
a
different voices.
cruise trip during the bull market. You know what I'm saying? Not when everyone's broke. Everyone's, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, my volume's good on my end.
Damn. Yeah.
We just
Look at this
talk
5
differently.
minute. Look at this 5. Yeah, the 5 minute momentum. Damn. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. Wow. Wow, it looks bad. Yep. If it doesn't look bullish, what is it? Yeah, you know, we should do the CryptoFace market cipher cruise. Everybody pays, and I come up on telescreen. Hey everyone, thanks for being here. Sorry I couldn't make it.
Yeah, man, you got to be like Mr. Beast in a black suit with your mask on, bouncing around. I don't know. That Mr. Beast show we were watching last night was funny, man. I want that role. We should make him do games like Fear Factor and shit.
Yeah. Would you sell out your family for $10,000? Life-changing money. Generational wealth. For this studio apartment lease for 6 months? Or do you choose your family? All right, the QQQ, huh? Let's see here. Boy, man, I'm not liking how everything looks like a top. You know, everything looks like a top, dude.
That's how you know it's only getting started. It's only getting started.
But we're in a continuation rectal diaphragm, which means it's supposed to continue up. Bitcoin's having a little, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's just gonna continue to do this. You know what I'm saying? This wiki, this has been so wiki, man. Monday was wretched. Let's see here. What day was Monday?
Monday was bad. What happened on? Oh yeah, dude. On Monday, I was short. Yeah, I was short before that huge push to the upside, and that screwed me, man. That screwed me. But then from that point, I've been short and chilling, and had a couple wins in a row past this funded challenge test. But yeah, man, the Monday pump and dump was rough.
There's even Siamese twin wheels on XLE that played out. That's crazy. They're all over the place, man. It's the pattern of the year right now. Pattern of the year, without a question. Damn. Yeah, oil looks good. Oil looks good. It does. It does look good. Oil looks good. Yep. Man, another range.
I wouldn't call a challenge a demo account because
I told him.
paid for it.
I told him. I said you know, change it to like trial. I think they're gonna change it, which I appreciate them heeding the words. I'm like, you know, when you have the word demo, you might as well have the word Satan.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bad look. It makes the streamer look like they have no skin in the game and shit. And
they got
that's not necessarily true. Like a funded challenge, you put $1,500 in to demonstrate to your community that, you know, something they can do as well alongside you. I wouldn't call that a demo.
You know, a demo is fake. A demo is fake.
Yeah, no.
Although the way things going, I might be demo accountant soon. I tell ya. Maybe I should be a demo account asshole like everybody else. Like everybody else.
Do that shit, man. I've always. I mean, shit. Sometimes I'll take profit, and then I'm trading hella small, you know. But that's reality. You don't even get better at trading unless you're living in reality. Like if you're
putting anything down, you dumb fuck. What are you talking about? I'm not putting anything down. Ban this fucking asshole. I have no patience right now for these people. Sorry, brother. What were you saying?
This guy XBT in the chat said the 5-day moving average strategy has been helping him. Shout out to that guy in the chat, man. We've been using the 5-day simple moving average in my VIP.
Good for you. Good for you. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's like any strategy can work if you just stick to it and have whatever they call it when you're safe with your money. I tell you, I'm tired of hearing the same shit from everybody all these years. It's a saturated space now. When we started, we were the pioneers, man. It's crazy. 8 years ago, nobody traded any money live, let alone big money. Now everyone's doing it. Which is, you know, I guess that's okay. I guess
it's like everything in life, man. Like everything gets cheaper and more accessible over time, and that's a good thing. You still stand out, man. You still ain't no one out here on live self-funded accounts putting up millions, man.
Yeah, there's a time and a place too. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't always be doing 20, 30, 40 million dollar trades, you know. There'll be a time again where, you know, I guess I'm doing that again, but not right now, man. Not right now. My heart's just hasn't even been in it, dude. Like it's I don't know, I just feel like my heart hasn't even been in it, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I just don't care. I don't care enough. And like it's more about camaraderie. I know that when I'm streaming, especially for the past year, it's like it's more of a party.
Yeah, man, it's just about coming out, taking space. It's not about being right or wrong all the time, but owning the decision. Look at this shit dumping.
Oh yeah, baby, go, baby, go.
Yeah, man. But also in a bear market, man, you guys know how bear markets work. Everybody starts looking at everything with a huge magnifying lens, whether it's exchanges or whatever. And like in bear markets, a lot of bad things get exposed, unearthed, and there's revelations and villains are exposed, and you know, companies falling apart, things getting rug pulled. That's how bear markets work. So, I mean, playing it safe, bro, like hiding. I like doing these. I like demonstrating on these funded accounts because I still get to trade with you guys, but also like my personal finances, like, you know, it's who knows what happens to traders in the next couple years is all I'm saying. Like,
to be honest, like after Binance did that shit, they didn't just do it. They did it 3 times last year where they froze everybody 3 times. It wasn't just that one time. It was that one time 2 weeks before that, and then like 2 months before that. Like it's just most people should be doing the funded path for sure. We should have went all in on this damn short.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh well.
that pump up to the highs and then that quick rejection was like a huge sign for me. That's why I added a little to my short, but my entry is higher up. Yeah, man.
Where's the guy who said? I'd scroll up and find out who it was, but I don't care anymore.
There was a bunch of people saying only long, because I mean we were at the previous 2 daily candle lows, you know, so we are at, if you're looking at us from a daily range perspective, yeah, of course, like you could draw a flat channel here and we're at the bottom of it, but there's bigger things going on. Like those people saying those things in the chat, like you guys were lacking a little bit of context. But I don't claim to know everything all the time. But in this particular case, targeting the weekly levels, not the daily levels, is why I'm printing right now.
Yeah, it's definitely it's either a turbo environment, which is micro. It's either you're trading turbo 30-second, 1 minute, or you're doing the macro shit. That's pretty much it. Like that's pretty much it.
You well said with the turbo versus micro. I'm on a little delay here in the stream.
Yeah.
But
65 coming up next here. 65 coming up next. I'm trying to remember to press push to talk so you hear what I'm saying immediately.
Oh. Taking out this low is an interesting interaction because it forces the market to decide, like, are we gonna mean revert back to the upside off that strong weekly support, or is this thing expansion to the downside? So I think that's why the weekly level being tested is so important, because that we need to make that decision. Are we mean reverting, or are we expanding?
Is it distribution or expansion? They both mean the same thing. In fact, we don't even know what it means.
I don't even know what the hell the terms I'm saying are. That's just what I use to describe it.
Distribution. What the fuck does that mean?
Yeah, no. Mean revert to me is like we're going back to last week's VWAP. Expansion is like we're freaking pumping or we're freaking dumping and it's not stopping.
You know, everyone loves to act like they're in the corporate talk, especially no-name shitter traders on Instagram. And when I'm scrolling, I see all these young guys. What it means to be a trader, trader.
I hate the word trader, dude.
Me too. And you know they're in like they're always in their shitty little apartment, acting like they know something, like they got it figured out.
Personally, I don't like when people say it took me X amount of time and now I'm profitable. It's like,
right?
You don't like. It's not like an Xbox Live achievement. You have to demonstrate profitability every single day, every single week, every single month. How do you like call yourself? You can never even like call yourself. You can't be that confident all the time, man. Like you never know when you might have a bad couple weeks.
Yeah, that's well put. Yeah, it's like you could have a good week and just, yeah, I was profitable. It's logged, verified.
But they get one payout and they're like, I'm profitable now. I'm profitable. I have the plaque on my wall and all this shit. Like that's what it is. But no,
I'm not talking shit about shitty apartments. You know, I did my time. I did my time. And so I'm not trying to put anyone down. I'm just saying that, you know, these kids with shaggy haircuts coming on like they got it all figured out. But, you know, my man, you know, I understand. I'm not hating. I'm not hating. I'd still live in a shitty apartment if I didn't have a dog.
Yeah, no, I mean, for what you do, you're like the most humble. Like you could be living a life way more luxurious than you are. But
thank you.
I know
There's
that
no point.
CF takes care of his family and his girl and his people and shit. He doesn't flex like that.
Yeah. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah, there's no point. It's like, what am I gonna do? Get a huge ass mansion that gets dusty, and you basically live in a hotel where you have to have maids coming in every other day, people in and out the house. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck am I gonna do?
Someone said, "Why are the old guys so angry today?" Man, we ain't even. We're not even angry, man. We're just two Italian guys having a conversation.
I would like to have a bigger garage. I wish I had a cut like 2 more spots in my garage. That I would like to have. I'd like to get one of them V12 Raris. But I like my Rari. I don't want to. I don't have room for another one. Yeah, damn, that's crazy, huh? I forgot about that, Poppy. Yeah, man, there's a lot of shit I've done for people. Some of I like, man, I don't even want to. You don't even want to know what happened to that guy. You don't even want to know what happened to that guy.
Damn, look at this shit. Expansion.
Distribution. We're in distribution phase.
No, it's. I mean, technically, this is not. I wouldn't even call it expansion until we were like dumping below 65 and kept dumping. Because, shit, man, the sweeping of a weekly low sometimes can be a really good long. So, I mean, once we dump down here into the 65s, that's where it becomes a wait and see type of thing.
Yeah. Let's see here. The force field zone is 60 low 65s. Yep. For the next spider line. I mean, the RSI. I'm telling you, if there's one thing that you can trade off of right now, one strategy, it's the money flow and the RSIs. If the money flow is green and it's curving over, and the RSIs are red and coming down, short it, short it, short it, and wait it out. Wait it out. Short it and wait it out. It will come down. If it's green coming down and green RSIs, wait. Just wait. Wait for them to turn red. On a decent little time frame, it works. I mean, if you had, you know what I'm saying? What time frame? The 2 hour. All the way, you know what I'm saying? Even from back from 68, you could just set it and forget it for days now. 2 days. Man, you would have been sitting pretty. Yeah, like the hourlies, the even like the 6 minute, the 3 minute. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful money flow coming down. Red RSIs. Wait it out. Goodbye. Obviously, some nasty wicks and shit. But if you're, you know, you just set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. Forget about it. How's MSTR doing? Boy, this is a dead cow bounce if I've ever seen one. Look at this. This, again, another Siamese twin Jesus take the wheel on MSTR. It's dumping. It's dumping. MSTR, $108 coming up next. Coming to an exchange near you within the next week. See you there. The only thing, in my opinion, that does have hope are metals, specifically gold. I think this is coiling up. RSI's spouting out green, and I'm looking probably for another week. Next week, maybe the following week, for this thing to start chugging. So help me God. Yeah. It's officially the year of the horse. For the Chinese, they start their astrology years a month late in February instead of January. And the idea is we're going to be trotting along. Taking profits, man, that's the name of the game, man. It's I don't know, I got to tighten up on if I'm gonna be live streaming. I know I say it all the time. Sometimes, you know, I don't know. I get in these party moods. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Also, budgeting it out, like capping. That's one thing I learned from the funded challenges, is having daily drawdown rules and throttles. Sometimes you have to throttle yourself.
Yeah, sometimes you do have to throttle.
The horse makes sure he can run the whole distance. So, yeah, taking the profits, budgeting out your risk.
You know, the horse looks at the other horses right in the eye. You know, when they're racing next to each other, they're looking at the other horse. You know what I'm saying? Dead in the eyes.
Yeah, their eyes are kind of like half on the side of their head, half forward, huh? Like they're running,
Yep.
but they're looking to their left and right. Like they can kind of see behind them when they're running.
Yeah, that's why, like, they'd have to turn their head to look at you. You know what I'm saying? They trust their steed master to look forward while the horse looks left and right. The horse is focused on thy enemy, while the steed master, the jockey, is focused on the road ahead.
That image in my mind of like a horse with eyes looking to the left and right. That's me right now looking at the 15-second chart.
Yeah, it's like we know the direction. The direction is down. You just can't get wicked out on these stupid-ass wicks, and you have to have the correct leverage. You have to be the horse in the correct leverage, but the jockey, as the jockeys, we know the direction that it's going. It's going down. We've been saying that. Even Layla Helpbird. If Dae can get it right, so can we. Dae. I've been messaging her. I've said, Layla, come on for an interview. But she, I don't know. She's a little, I don't know, tangible. Dae.
She does a good job portraying herself as like above the fray. Like there's like levels to the crypto Twitter influencer shit, you know. There's different schools and areas, but yeah, some people are harder to reach than others, man. Like,
you think you're above me? She thinks she's above me.
with her brother Gideon.
My Rolex shits on yours, Layla. Okay, I'm happy you got your little Rolex, and you know, I'll go toe to toe with I'll give Layla a Rolex if she wants to come on and go toe to toe with I'll give you a new tie.
I mean, her takes haven't been that bad. I mean, I don't follow her.
They've been
at
great.
all.
They've been great. The girl's
She's
been
going
on
along with
fire.
the cycle. She's been on point. She's just doing her job. It's not that hard being a crypto influencer. Like, you just update people on how the cycle's doing. It's not that fucking difficult.
Or not, she's been on the ball with price action. Longs and shorts. She's had great moves. Yeah, I got nothing against her. I'm happy for her. You know, the only people that are willing to step into this ring of fire are actual traders. Be active, like Gareth. You know what I'm saying? Gareth will step into this ring of fire.
I don't know, man. That's not true. There's a lot of LARPs. There's a lot of fake people. There's people with 500K followers, and all they ever do is just write paragraphs. I never ever seen a single position, never seen any skin in the game. You click their link company in their bio, and it's some bullshit. It's like, who is this
Binance
person?
shit.
There's LARPs everywhere.
Super LARP. Super LARP. Like these no-name Twitter people. I don't even know how these Twitter NFT people, like, I don't know, like, where do these people come from? And like, why do so many people listen to them? It makes no sense. Makes no sense.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, I mean, at that boxing match we were at, there was 18,000 people in those stands, and that place was packed. So to think that someone's got like 500,000 followers just watching their BS LARPing, like, that's crazy. That's crazy reach.
And you know, ours are all natural. All natural. We don't bot. We don't pay for fucking follows and views. What is my Twitter at? Oh man, I might have to buy some YouTube subs. I've been stuck at 250,000 for years. Pretty much half the time I've been doing it. It's probably been like 5 years. Speaking of let's see what has to say today.
Rich in a bear market. We're clearly moving into a bear market right now. I've been saying this for over a year now. I've been sidelined for 5 months because I took profit in October at the top of the market. So a bear market is coming. We're going to make lower lows in 2026. I've been saying this for a very long time. Now, this isn't a bad thing. It's actually a good thing. Everyone gets so upset when we go into bear markets, but actually bear markets is where the generational wealth is built. Because look at it like this, right? Run, prices are pumping, and then you buy, right? You're buying.
All right, I've been on a steady 200 on Twitter too. I thought I had more than that. I thought I was at like 250, maybe not, but that's pretty good.
You've been killing it, bro. You gained like 50K subs last year. That's pretty good.
Yeah, Twitter. I like Twitter. I do. I like it. Not a fan of the Uru Lamborghinis. Oh God, they're so ugly. They look like Mazdas. Yeah, the Urus. They're built like shit. Plastic as fuck. Fall apart. I'm not hating. I'm just saying my opinion. They look like Mazdas. When did my YouTube hit 250K? Where can I see that? Let me see that. Day. Let me see here. Is this not working? Like, what the fuck? Okay. Let's see here. I just want to see like a chart of my subscriber count. Okay. Okay. I need it to go back. Oh, hang on. Let me turn this off. No wonder. How do I see my long-term subscriber count on YouTube? Yeah, analytics, see, just the lifetime. Okay. YouTube Studio Analytics. See live count. Okay. Lifetime. Here we go. Okay. Jesus. Oh my God. This is insane. Wait till. Oh my gosh. Okay.
What's going on? I've been.
I got the live count of my subscribers. I've been like basically at 200,000 since 2022, dude. 2022.
On YouTube?
Like, look at I have the graph on screen. I've just been frozen since 2022. I wonder if I started if I webcam. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should. Can you do it? Webcam.
You're right. I mean, this is such a large size that, yeah, at this point, you have to imagine what a 500K subscriber version of CryptoFace even looks like. Who is that guy? What does he do? Can you do it?
I wonder where "Can you do it" is these days. Let's take a look. We need to do an article on
Who was
him.
that? The Darabit?
Adam Todd.
Adam Todd, yeah.
Okay, Adam Todd. Can you do it? Where is he now? Blockster. He's got a project called Blockster now, I guess. Here's our man. Here's our man. Okay, hang on. There's our guy. I wonder how he's doing these days.
I'll always remember that video of him in that office, and then like the people came and kicked him out.
Oh man.
They're like, hey man, we have another person who rented this office. Like, you gotta go.
He's like, he gets on the phone. He's like, "What the fuck, mate? What the fuck?" Okay, Blockster. What's Blockster? What damn Web3 media company? Okay, this is it. A Web3 media company. Oh, they have a YouTube channel. Blockster.com. Wow, this looks like one of those. Okay. This looks like one of those extremely racist art things that were going around during the NFT stuff when there was, you know. Okay, so it's a little media website, Blockster, huh? Oh, maybe we can pay them for some positive, you know, that's what they're doing. They're just taking money for articles and stuff. God bless them. Why? What happened with the FOMC? Should I put FOMC in the title? Let me see here. Day. We're up $250,000 in options today. Trying to make a buck in crypto, I'm telling you. The options is where it's at. And we need massive expansion in tokenized stocks on these Chinese exchanges. Which means everything's going to dump. As soon as it's traded in crypto, it gets dumped. It's crazy how that's been happening. It's so true. They're going to rotate. The rotation's going to be dumping. Facebook, Google, whatever. As soon as it goes on crypto, where are these people watching the live FOMC without somebody else talking during it all? Or did it happen already? Okay, it happened already? No, this was 3 weeks ago. Okay, hang on. Ah, fuck it. Who gives a fuck? I have to watch it like with these goons. Look at this. Look at this goon. Okay, I don't want to be a hater. I'm sorry, mate. But I would just like to see the FOMC without some guy talking to me who hasn't got sleep in 3 weeks. That was mean. I didn't mean to call him a goon. I wasn't talking about him. I was just talking in general. I'm sure he's a very nice guy. God bless him.
Stop taking cocaine.
That's in 15 minutes. All right. All right.
FOMC in 15, eh? Man, that would be sick to be dumping to last week's low, like going into the FOMC. That'd be perfect, but we'll see.
Yeah, you know, they're hawkish.
Yeah, it's anticipated to be a hawk to a.
He wasn't sleeping for 3 days waiting for FOMC. That's what these people have to look forward to now. Boy, I would love to know where I can watch this FOMC stream here without some other guy's face in my face. The Fed live video. Oh, this ain't it. This ain't it. That's January 28th. What the hell? Does the video start? Is that why it hasn't started yet? It hasn't started yet? Oh. Yeah, but it's from 3 weeks ago.
Hey, that trade's up pretty good, man. $600.
Oh, let's see here. Damn. So I could have done 10 times
ported.
lower. I
Yeah,
could have
if you
been at
full
6. I
ported.
could have been half. I could have been over halfway through my eval. I should have just fucking went all in, dude.
I've done that before, man.
Oh yeah, that's the way to do it.
I mean, yeah, it's betting over like 30 or 50% is technically not statistically good, but depends on the situation.
Yeah, fuck this is, you know.
I will say, once you get funded, it's a different game. But like getting
For sure.
getting funded, it's okay to burn through a couple, in my opinion. I am the wise flopping groper with my voice echo. And Bitcoin.
I'm muting my microphone so it doesn't echo,
Expansion.
but when I leave it on, it's
Expansion.
echoing. No FOMC meeting today. Yeah, bro, I tell you, these people have no idea what the hell they're talking about. These people, but I'm keeping it in the title. And what does minutes mean? What does that mean? This was a terrific trade here. Just getting started, but even if we're done with it, boy, we shorted SoFi at 25. Whammy. Google has me worried it might have a little bounce here, but it's not looking good. Google. I hope I'm wrong. I hope it continues. I really don't want this fucking stock market run to be over. But it's probably over. Again, another Siamese twin, Jesus take the wheel pattern, plays out real time. See ya. I'm telling you, this is the pattern right now. This is the pattern. It's the pattern right now. It's going to keep on printing them, hopefully for, however much longer. But, man, it's been banging them out every time frame. I do believe it's still buy one, get one with the Bitfunded link in the description below. You pass a test, and you trade with a much larger sum than what you paid for. $1,000 gets you 100 grand. Turns you into a much more responsible trader. You know what your daily drawback is, that'll cut you off. What your max loss is, that'll cut you off. You can do it slow or you can do it fast. Shit's probably best just to get two, go long on one and short on the other. That's the way to do it, probably. Shit. Next time, people, remind me not to be such a pussy and remind me to go ham. Probably still got more. I mean, we still got more room to go. I could probably still short. What I like about Bitfunded is you can add to the position. Instead of entering a new position every time, you can add to this position. Watch, I'll do it right now. And it'll average it out. Watch, I'll do it right now. Let's do just a tiny little bit. And then it'll, see, you can add to the position. Rather than having, sometimes it's good to have different positions. There's a time and a place. But you can add to the position. Geez, look at this guy. This guy looks like Nosferatu. David Solomon, CEO of Goldman Sachs. Look at those beady little eyes. Look at those beady little eyes. I like his undercoat, though. I like this. He's even got the vampire coat. I like what this guy's wearing.
Yeah.
I like what he's wearing.
Yeah, what the heck is that?
Let's ask ChatGPT.
Super Nosferatu for sure. And he knows that. You know that I know that he knows.
Let's see if we can find out what that is. I'd like that. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Dump it. We need an app that like can pick and figure out what exact brand that is. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not a full zip. It only comes down a little bit. It's not a full zip. A zip cardigan. Okay. Is this what he's wearing? Is this what he's wearing? This guy's got a broken zip. This thing has 2 zippers on both sides. My God, what's the fashion world coming to? A Luca Filoni? Is that a Luca Filoni? No. It's
Stop
not a
spamming the chat.
Ban that fucking guy.
Fuck you, bro. I'm not closing my short and flipping long.
Kill yourself.
It's expansion.
You know what? Go long. Go long, dude. Is this an extra fine merino? Is this an... Jesus Christ. It's close. It's close. I like this. We need to figure out what brand this is. There's got to be an AI, like a fashion AI, that can figure it out.
I like the sound of your keyboard, dude. People were talking shit in the comments, but if your keyboard doesn't click and clack, then what the hell are you doing, man?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to find this exact brand. Man, there needs to be a fashion AI that can like, it'd be like, what's that app that finds music for you? Shazam. It's like Shazam, but for fashion. Fasham. Shafam. Let me try Grok. Grok. I'm just going to ask on Twitter and see if someone finds it. $500. The first person who finds me this exact one. Dump it.
Someone in the chat mentioned hymns. We were looking at hymns the other day.
Yeah, we longed hymns. Hopefully it's let's see here. Yeah, hymns has very good they had to get rid of their some copycat medication or something, but their profits and numbers are really good. So I put some longs in this. Could be a bad move. You know, we'll see. But you know, we'll see what's up. Yeah, I got some hymns a few days ago. We'll see. It might go to shit, but we'll see. Maybe it's got some curvature coming up here. Definitely buying when it's bloody. But yeah, they had to get rid of some medication or some shit, and then that was this dump. But they are a super prod. They're a great company. Great company. Uh, 20 minutes left in the candle on the 4 hour. The 6 hour still got plenty more to go. Our side's crossing over. Yep. Nope. So, I think we're staying the course. Besides your little flash bullshit, I think we're par for the course.
I'm gonna go make another coffee since we're yeah, man, we're in this for the long haul here.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. I should add more to this, man. Damn, wish I did more. If I went all in, I would have been right at eval pass. I pussied out big time. I should have just went. I don't know why. I should have just went all in, dude. I would have been right there. Oh boy, I tell you, Solano dropping like a rock. Like a rock. Remember them Ford commercials? Like a rock. Oh, like a rock. Ford F-150 comes in a triple cab, a 2500. Like a rock. Get yourself a Ford semiconductor today, double wide trailer, like a rock. Dropping like a rock. Yeah, you know, I should have more. I should have brand deals. No one would touch me though. That's the thing. Is like the few that I've gently explored. It doesn't take long for them to be like, no, we can't do that. They find bad information against me, they say. And it's always, dude, it's always like, I'll forget that I'm like in talks with some brand, and that's when I'm going, fuck, shit, faggot, fuck me, N-word, fuck, shit, this, that, N-word. That's what happened on the last one I was talking to like 2 months ago. Nice people. Could have I used their products and services. Love them. And I was like, man, let me send you some traffic. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't have to be sponsored. And she's like, okay. I was talking to the marketing girl. She's like, all right, well, you know, we kind of like family channels. I'm like, I have a family channel. Family channels watch me. I've met them in real life. There are families that sit together and watch CryptoFace. I've met them. Literally that night I was like, fuck, shit, fuck. And the next day she emailed me. She's like, I don't know if this is, you know, the best match. I love my keyboard, Brent. I've been buying the same keyboards for years now. I get the same keyboard. I use a Bloody. It's called a Bloody. B957 is the exact. Bloody B957 is the exact keyboard I use. Bloody B957. Did you? Hello. What, in person? Bloody is the brand. It's called a Bloody. Best keyboard ever. Wouldn't you? I've tried many. Yeah, Bloody B957.
This is beautiful price action, man. I love this dumpage. God damn.
Yep. Yep. Coming right for it. Coming right for it. Right for the, you know.
It's yeah, I mean it looks bad, but also if you were targeting the weekly low, it's like teleporting straight there.
The 65-100, that's the weekly low. Man, such a small little amount. Well, that $1,000, not bad, not bad. Next time I'm going all in. Um, 1935 for Ethereum, 1935 swept. It swept the liquidity cap, sweep the lows. I'm so tired of hearing the same shit. Swept the SFP, swing high, swing low. Side note. If you haven't seen the new merch line, especially the absolute beautiful new Petey the Pencil Neck sweatshirts, it's in the red cell, famously donned on this very channel with Market Cipher logos on the sides and the back. It comes in baby blue, black,
Yes.
and
Nice soft.
white. And they're of the finest quality, the finest.
Big and soft. You can exercise. They're actually good for exercising in. They breathe really nice. Good for smoking a cigarette.
We've been sponsoring Mike Perry ever since he left the UFC. Every single fight. Remember his first fight out of the UFC came out looking like Mario. He was drenched in Market Cipher gear from head to toe, left to right. Yeah, and we're not making any money on this. We're charging literally what it costs us with shipping. I mean, this is $50 for the high. These sweatshirts would normally cost what? A couple $100, $130. If you're actually like a real brand, even more. It's the finest quality you can get at cost. We are literally making $0. $0. I guarantee it. I'm going to take some little profits here. I'll take a little profit. I'll set a good example. I'm going to take a little profit. Set a good example. Good little dumpage. Good little dumpage. Excellent play. We got in right when it started, man. We got in. Boop. That was awesome. We added to it, so it came down a little bit. But I mean, y'all were here. Listen, everyone who bitches about me not trading live, we just fucking entered live. Live. We're living alive. Living alive. Live. Clive. Yeah, the sweaters are awesome. And we still do have at a separate website, marketcyphermerch.com. Take this. We still have a few of the 23-ounce mugs left. It's the only mug you'll ever use for the rest of your life. I promise. It's an actual big size, not an 8-ounce, not a 12-ounce. You can have a full cup and a half of Joe, probably 3 in here. This thing can handle a full can of Coke, of beer, if you're a beer guy. Tea. I'm closing this shit. Fuck it. I'm going to be a good little boy. I'm going to be a good little boy. Be a good little boy. Yeah, once it starts getting into the force field, it's probably still got more room to go down, but I'm going to count my blessings. And live to trade another day. Do we want to long it now? Do we want to enter a little long? Do we want to long? Wow, look at that. Look at that Siamese twin Jesus take the wheel right there. Look at that. They're all over the place. They're all over the place. Gold. This is what I'm really rooting for. I'm really rooting for gold to. It's coiled up and held its support quite well. The RSIs are spewing out a bullish leaning RSI. The lower time rate have money flow coming up, RSIs coming up. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick. I think that's in the cards here. I think it's in the cards here. It's not in the news. Washed all the plebs out. The plebs all got washed out. Copper scares me a little bit. This you know, if this was cryptos, would be a top for sure. I don't like that middle finger, but you know, we were looking for a 15, 20, 25% pullback on copper. We did get a 15% pullback. It is holding its little range. We got momentum, but not yet. It ain't yet. But it might be curving. 12-hour pinching. There might be something here. This is a risk. This is a small front run, but I think, I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Any advice? Turned 18 today. Happy birthday. Get a job, learn sales. Unless you're going to be a lawyer, a doctor, an accountant, you're not. If you're in college for business, leave that college or choose a different major. Go into psychology if you're going to be in college. Psychology is a good one. Don't loan anybody money for any reason. Don't listen to anybody. Yeah, I would get a job, save a little bit of dough, and take a swing. With you come up with a little savings, take a swing. You're obviously here, so you must be trading something. Man, learn options. Here's your advice: go to my options 101 video. Get away from crypto. Run, okay? Run as far as you can and don't come back. Watch my options 101 video. I try to explain the options. A young lad like you could make some things happen if you look for a nice, macro fucking play, and that's it. And, go fuck yourself. That's my last bit of advice. Thanks for being here. I learned, you learn by experience. And, everyone's different, but man, I'm telling you, you get in the sales game. You know what? Do door-to-door sales just for a few months. If you can if you can get over an objection, I have so much respect for these door-to-door salesmen that come at my door. And I tell them, like, I don't really want that. But when they ignore my objection, they're like, well, what kind of bugs you got back there? Or you just want me to take a look and let you know, just ignore the, I'm telling you, if you can be decent at door-to-door sales, the world is your oyster. not in that specific job, but to have the ability to do so.
No matter what path you take, bro, you can't escape learning sales.
Um, all right, I'm done. I got shit I gotta do. It's fucking getting late, and I got things I gotta do. I gotta handle my daily business. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Thank you, Grover, for being here. And